so we cannot go to Jamaica. And they want to learn the country girl culture. Yeah? Come here though, Zoe. They all want to learn the country girl culture, yeah? And I think this is really interesting because some people are going to get wet up with water today.
Yeah.
You know? You have that?
I'm gonna put my wallet and everything aside.
Yes.
Yes,
Some people don't go out watch. Some people are going to get wet up with water today.
No.
So, Zoe and Logan did one go to Jamaica. But you know coronavirus come up. So we said they asked me to show them my culture, how I live back in the days. So I told them we used to go mango bush and we used to carry water on our head and all that. So Zoe now, she liked the limelight. So she said, Mommy, make we go live. Okay? So that was a request from Zoe. So I said, alright, me go live. Yeah? Thank you for this fun stuff. Nicole, you're welcome. So guess what now? The first thing what I'm going to show them is how we country people carry the bucket of water upon we head from the well. You understand? When we have to carry water for go bathe with self and go drink and all of them stuff. And Bauka say him can carry it from film head. So make we see what the white man are going to do. And make we see how the two mix it them up carry water from it till the water going to wet them up from their head top till them baggy weight.
No.
What you mean wait? Alright. I'm going to teach them in on the watch. Or just watch me.
Okay, first we're going to watch you and then...
Yeah, no, look at people. I teach them the correct way. Look, whenever you saw have towel, you know, you saw have banana trash. But guess what?
Logan,
I'm going to start like this.
Logan, no.
I'm going to start.
Logan.
Logan, where your towel then?
Logan, take off them t-shirts.
It's no problem. Logan is ready. Logan, take off
No,
his t-shirt.
I want to take off this.
Okay. Go get your towel. See, Boka here, Boka. See, Boka, come here, Boka. Come here. They're not seeing you.
I'm ready.
No, you're too tall.
Hey, I want for my doom, Mommy.
Wait, no. See, Boka here. Boka ready with film towel, you know. So I teach them, yeah? I teach you roll it up.
What?
You see it? Roll it up, you know. And I do a thing like this and wind it up.
I got my towel.
Yeah? And then you tuck in this end and tuck in that the end and make sure say it flat like dumpling. You see it? Thick like pumpkin and flat like dumpling. Right.
Mommy, can
Boka,
you
me
do
for you
it?
make for you. No, wait, no. Boka, come show them what you make for you. Boka, show them what you make.
but I don't get further than this.
It's a baby.
Mommy, can you do it for me? It's too long.
But look how Boka make for you. What did they ask you? Show them what you make.
Almost the same.
Mommy, can you make mine?
Well, let me try. Almost the same.
Mommy, can you do it for me?
Wait, no, let me fix the camera good that people can see you guys.
No, is it too hot?
No, I'm not making nothing for you. You get lessons. No, make yours.
No, but this is too long.
What do you mean it's too long? No, make it for yourself. People is
Okay,
waiting.
okay.
Come, brother
wait.
Boka. You ready?
Yes.
People remember me say so if you're going or so. Yeah? And you tuck in one end. Yeah? And you tuck in the other end. Because in our country we call this kata. We call this kata a country. And look how brother Boka. Brother Boka no. Boka ready long time. Let me show you first now. Can I show you?
Yeah.
Alright. So
I'm rolling it up, Mommy.
Logan, come show them how you make yours. Come show them how you make yours, Logan. Logan, come show them how you make yours. Show them, show them. Is that yours?
Yes.
Okay, roll it up like I teach you. I'm tucking the two ends. You ready?
Yeah.
Alright, look people, look, you know, can't see me not do it good. Yeah? See it there. See me ready yet. Country girl ready.
What?
Look back at me. I film cut.
Jealous mine is flatter than yours.
I'm jealous because yours is flatter than. Let's see. See mine here, people. See it there. Alright. We're ready I know. We are ready, okay? This is just our culture. Look about. Okay. Zoe, let's see what you have got. This is what Zoe got.
Oh,
This
come on.
is Zoe.
I just
Okay, Zoe, people look Zoe if you ever miss Luke.
I try, yes.
Okay, we ready now. Okay, me ready. Alright, people?
Yeah.
So, we used to do this. Okay. We normally do this, yeah? But normally we have a bigger one, yeah? And we normally put it like here. Yeah? Here, yeah? Yeah? Like here. I will go I will go yard now, you know. You go yard now. I'm gonna pass everybody, you know. You got your yard. When you got your yard, you say, you walk with your bucket. You say, morning, Master John. Morning, Miss Mary. Morning, Master Joe. And you got your yard. Alright, you go walk got your yard, so you know. So you walk got your yard, you have to have a special walk. And when no man, what kind of baby number 3? Girl, bye. I'm a bang my belly bank and my crave.
Samantha, you have to tell
Are
me
you
something.
gonna do this with
Wait,
me?
no. We no me can't do it. You fit do it. Do your one challenge. Listen up, people. And when you pass, you say, morning, Master Joe.
You have to tell me
Morning,
something.
Master Rai. Wait, no. See, you know. Yeah? And when you walk, you go with your bucket of water, yeah? You go with your bucket of water. Alright. You see, if you pick up our next bucket, the bucket go get the bucket over there, the white one. Huh? Okay, sorry.
Oh, Papi, you got dirty water.
Okay, let me push in my t-shirt because no clips, so me dey on baby number 3. Yeah? I will walk like this is how we used to walk, okay? Now put it on back. This is how we used to walk and we go in our yard with bucket on our head. I will walk, I will walk. There come a point. There comes a point when you have to balance it. Yeah? You know, then we can still do that. You have to balance it. Yeah!
I'm gonna try too.
Samantha, the bucket gonna be done before you come home. Nothing left over to shower.
There comes a point when you have to balance it and don't touch it. I don't know if I'm still so skillful, yeah? You
So
put
you
it?
make it?
Kaikis. Look, and you have to balance it, you know. If you can't do this, it's not real country people.
I can do it.
You can do that? You come a style where you have to
make
balance it. Because if you, hey, there are some country women who like turn up and chat people name, you know, if you catch them a bush. And when time they put the other side. You see? And they turn up so. And arguments with them, they left the bucket on it so. You have to balance it and chat people. You understand? And when you don't chat people, you hold your angle and you walk. You understand? So now, I go sit there, I turn up with my bucket and I balance it. So Boka and Zoe are Logan time. And now, I can see the country people there. See Boka come there. Catch Boka in the challenge. Move Logan. Boka.
Yeah?
Boka stand up with this. See Boka come there, a real countryman. Real countryman. Boka, let it go, let it go. Whoa, brother Boka.
You're better than you.
Woo! Let it go, Boka. Walk. No, put it in now. Drop it. You see, Boka turn countryman. Me turn him in a countryman. No, get Zoe. People don't get Zoe. Let it go and walk. Get Zoe. Zoe. Boka, let it go now, let it go. Jesus, they nasty. Let it go, Boka, let it go and walk. Whoa, Boka.
Right about that.
Brother Boka, amen. Boka, walk it up and wrong. So, then people couldn't carry water, not even if it saved their life.
I can do it.
You can do it? Get Zoe. Zoe.
Samantha, you can make one for Logan?
Logan? Logan, come here. You're not escaping. Let's see what Logan got here. Make we see how Logan go on.
Yes?
Logan, I make it for you, yeah?
Yes.
Okay, come. Put it on your head. No, stand up in the camera and make you people see you. See, a Logan time. Come. Boka, where you gone?
Yeah.
Okay, God. Okay, Logan, that is yours.
Okay.